Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all, dear learners. This is Shanaz Akhtar, your English teacher, welcoming you again to the online class, which is organized by the authority of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Dear learners of class 5, how are you all? Hope all of you are hale and hearty with your family members by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by His mercy. Dear learners, you know that the COVID situation has become worse. So you should follow the rules of hygiene more strictly. Try to be at home. Don't go outside unnecessarily. If you have to go outside home, don't forget to wear a mask. Actually, we the people of world are now passing through a very crucial period. I think we all should pray to Almighty to get rid of us from this suffocating situation. Anyway, dear girls, let's come to our today's class. You know, this is another class on English. So take your English for Today book and other necessary things with you. Let's get started. Girls, here is a picture for you. What can you see in this picture? I know many of you can say that it's the picture of pyramid, which is located in Egypt. Maybe you all are familiar with this picture. You have watched it on TV. So, dear learners, can you tell which topic are we going to read today? Yes, we are going to discuss the topic Eat Healthy. Unit 6, lesson 4 to 7, and page number is 24 and 25. Look, here is a picture of food pyramid also. The pyramid is divided into some levels and each level contains different kinds of foods. Okay, girls. Now open your English for Today book. Girls, before going to discuss about the passage, I will introduce some words with their meaning for you as usual. You know, understanding of the words of the text will help you to comprehend the text more easily. Here are the words. Our first word is healthiest. It's an adjective. It's the superlative form of the word health, and the meaning is in good health. Our next word is understand. It's a verb and meaning is realize. Our next word is bottom. It's a noun and the meaning is the lowest point of anything. Our next word is dairy. It's an adjective and meaning is made from milk. Then the word is delicious. It's an adjective and the meaning is tasty. Our last word is choice. It's a noun and the meaning is option. Okay, girls. Now we will read the passage. You listen to me carefully. What food is good food? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups and it tells us how much of each food group we should eat. Look at the picture of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grain, for example, rice, roti, and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains give us energy. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Meat, fish, and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils do too. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy make us strong. Fat and oil are at the top of the food pyramid. These make food delicious, but our body doesn't need very much of them. Sometimes we can't get food from all the different food groups. But when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. Girls, I think you also have finished reading of the text. Now we will do some activity based on the topics, based on this passage. Okay. Our first activity is matching. Match the words of column A with their meaning that is mentioned in column B. And the words in column A are sometimes group, bottom, cranes, and help. And the words in the column B are the lowest side of anything, to assist, to exchange, corns, now and then the upper side of something, and lastly, a set in which elements are included. Now we will match the words in column A with the words in column B. Okay, let's start. Our first word is sometimes. We know that the meaning of sometimes is now and then. Okay, group means a set in which elements are included. Then bottom is the lower part of anything. Grains means corns. And then help is to assist. Okay, girls, I think you have finished. Now come to the next activity. It's true or false. You have to read the statements and write T for true or F for false. Okay, girls, if needed, read the passage again. Our first sentence is, there are 4 levels in the food pyramid. Girls, is this right? Yes. In the picture of food pyramid in our book has 4 levels. So this statement is true. There are 4 levels in the food pyramid. True. That is, you have to write T. Okay, next statement. The bottom level of the pyramid has food from protein and dairy. Girls, is it right? No. So the statement is false. That means F. Foods made of grain gives us energy. True. Eggs help our eyes. No. Vitamins help our eyes. So it is false. That means F. Milk helps to make us strong. True. Our bodies need a lot of fat and oil. No, this statement is not correct. So you have to write false, that is F. Okay, girls, we have finished true or false. Now come to the last activity, that is question answer. I have selected here some questions for you. Our first question is, how does the food pyramid help us? Next, which foods are at the bottom of the food pyramid? Then, which foods have vitamins? Next, what kinds of foods should we eat for protein? Our last question is, what are the dairy products? Girls, to write the answers to these questions, if needed, please go through the passage again. Read the passage carefully and try to find out the answers to these questions. Okay, I think you have finished by this time. Now, let's check your answers. Our first question, how does the food pyramid help us? And the answer is, the food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups. Okay, question number B. Which foods are at the bottom of the food pyramid? Answer, rice, roti, and bread are at the bottom of the food pyramid. Question number C. Which foods have vitamins? Answer, fruits and vegetables have vitamins. D. What kinds of foods should we eat for protein? Yes, we should eat fish, meat, dairy products, beans, and lentils for protein. Our last question is, what are the dairy products? Answer, milk and eggs are dairy products. Girls, I have a homework for you. It's write a composition on good food. In your writing, you may include what is good food, which foods are good for health, why we should take good food in our everyday meal, the benefit of good food, etc. So girls, that's all for today. Practice again and again what I have discussed today. I'm telling you again, don't ignore to follow the rules of health. The COVID situation is getting worse day by day. I am praying for you. You also keep me in your prayer. Thank you all to attend my class patiently. Goodbye.